Dear friends, today let us see how to recharge a DTH, Videocon D2H. Okay, just go to Videocon D2H. Right, in this, go to Quick Recharge. Now, enter the customer ID. So, I am entering the customer ID. Now, click Recharge. So, this is the subscriber information. Right, now today the date is 7/8. Actually, yesterday was the recharge due date. Right, so we need to renew it. The last recharge date was on 2021. Last recharge amount 1150 active. It's for 6 months. Okay, this is the subscribed plan. Okay, Kalvi Malaikachi Tamila combo. Okay, now let us recharge it. Okay, online. So these are the different offers. So I am selecting this offer. Okay, select offer 1181. Okay, now click recharge now. What is this? View price detail. Monthly recharge amount 197. Okay, so this is the total offer. Okay, 1181. Click recharge now. Now these are the payment requests. So I'm using this internet banking. Now click pay now. So this is the amount to be paid online, 1181. So net banking, I am using ICICI net banking. Click pay 1181. Now enter the user ID and password. Now click login. After entering the user ID and password, click login. Okay, remarks. This is the one-time password which has been received in your mobile. So check the one-time password. So once you receive the one-time password, enter the one-time password, then click pay. Your payment is successful. Okay, so Videocon D2H Recharge has been successfully completed. Right, so this is the order ID recharge amount 1181, recharge customer ID, recharge date and time. Okay, so this is a procedure how to recharge a Videocon D2H. Okay, thank you friends, hope you understood how to do online recharge, okay, of DTH, our home DTH. Okay, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.